And with the virus still here, school nurses are going to be more important than ever. We continue our team coverage with Emily Correll as she takes a look at what roles nurses will have when schools reopen this fall.
It was a different environment last year, but since they have been exposed to that, they're better prepared this year in knowing.
Eunice Jones is the coordinator for nursing services at Richland One and says her team is ready to tackle the upcoming school year.
Everything was kind of like all of a sudden, but now they've had time to rest and come back and say, okay, this is how we're going to be organizing. This is what we're going to do on this time frame. This is what this looks like.
We are a valuable resource to them. School nurses are always great community health partners, even pre-pandemic, and we continue to be that resource for parents.
Amanda Santamaria is the president of the South Carolina School Nurses Association.
We know that COVID is scary and there's lots of people who are very unsure about this upcoming school year. So we would just recommend if they have any questions, concerns about the health of their child, or if they're a staff member, just reach out to their school nurses, reach out to nurses in their community and rely on them to be those health, experts and get those resources from them.
We really consider them a very valuable partner.
South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control Public Health Director Dr. Brandon Traxler says the role of school nurses has amplified in the past year and a half.
Just as we, even pre-pandemic, had a very close relationship with many school nurses across the state, that has been emphasized even more and made even more important over the last year and a half. And we plan to continue that with bi-directional communication with them.
A lot of staff, a lot of families, a lot of students have questions. So being that resource to be able to answer those questions or guide them to where they can get those questions answered.
I'm Emily Correll, News 19 WLTX.
Well, as of last week, there were 63 school nurse openings across the state of South Carolina.